Long ago, beyond the snowy mountains and the shining rivers, there was a magical land where 5 peaceful villages stood around a sparkling lake. Every village had something special to share. One village grew sweet fruits, another made warm blankets, one built beautiful boats, another crafted strong tools. The last village grew golden wheat that smelled fresh like morning sunshine. For many happy years, the villagers worked together. They traded food, shared ideas, and celebrated every season with music, dancing, and laughter. Children from every village played together without caring where they came from. In the middle of all the villages stood a beautiful stone bridge. Everyone called it the Bridge of Friendship because it connected every path. One spring morning, a loud argument changed everything. Heavy rain had filled the rivers. The bridge needed repairs before it could safely hold wagons again. Each village believed another village should repair it. The fruit growers said the builders should fix it because they knew how. The builders said the tool makers should provide the materials first. The tool makers wanted the wheat farmers to help with food for the workers. The wheat farmers believed everyone should share the work equally. Soon everyone became upset. Instead of talking kindly, people spoke with angry voices. Instead of helping, they stayed in their own villages. The bridge slowly became weaker. Days turned into weeks. Weeks turned into months. The happy festivals stopped. The marketplace became quiet. Children no longer crossed the bridge to visit old friends. The lake that once reflected joyful smiles now reflected lonely faces. Far away in Arendelle, Elsa heard about the sadness. She looked across the snowy hills and wished she could help. Not long after, another traveler heard the same story. It was Raya, the brave warrior who believed people could learn to trust each other again. When Elsa and Raya met beside the edge of the magical forest, they smiled warmly. Both wanted to bring peace. They decided to travel together. As they reached the villages, they noticed something surprising. The bridge was not completely broken. It was only missing a few stones. The real problem was not the bridge. The real problem was the hearts of the people. Elsa quietly whispered, "We cannot fix this with magic alone." Raya nodded. She knew that trust could never be forced. It had to grow little by little. They first visited the fruit village. The villagers welcomed them politely, but looked worried. They explained that they had once shared everything, but after the disagreement, they no longer believed anyone would keep their promises. Elsa listened carefully without interrupting. Raya listened too. Neither blamed anyone. When the villagers finished speaking, they thanked them for sharing their feelings. Next, they visited the builders. The builders told almost the same story. They also felt disappointed. They believed the others had forgotten years of friendship because of one mistake. Elsa began to notice something. Every village remembered the argument. Almost no one remembered the many years of kindness before it. Raya smiled gently. Sometimes one bad memory becomes so large that it hides 100 good ones. The next morning, Elsa and Raya invited one child from every village to meet near the bridge. At first, the children felt shy. Some had never met before. Others remembered playing together years ago. Elsa covered the grass with sparkling snowflakes that looked like tiny flowers. The children laughed as they caught them. Raya showed them fun games that needed teamwork. One child balanced on a log while another helped. One carried water while another held the bucket steady. Soon they were laughing together just like old friends. The parents watched from a distance. Many had expected the children to argue. Instead, they saw smiles. That evening, the children asked their families why they could not play together every day. No one had a good answer. The following day, Elsa and Raya invited the village leaders to meet beside the bridge. Everyone arrived, but they stood far apart. No one wanted to speak first. The silence felt heavy. Elsa placed 5 beautiful ice lanterns on the ground. Each lantern glowed with soft blue light. She explained that every lantern represented one village. When they stood alone, each lantern gave only a little light. Then, Elsa carefully moved them closer together. The lights mixed into one bright glow that shined across the bridge. Everyone watched quietly. Raya picked up a small bundle of sticks. She handed one stick to each leader. Each stick snapped easily. Then she tied several sticks together with a simple rope. No one could break the bundle. Everyone understood the lesson without needing many words. Still, no one apologized. Trust had been damaged for many months. One meeting could not repair it. Raya was not disappointed. She expected that. Trust grows slowly, just like a tree. The next week, Elsa suggested a simple project. Every village would repair only one small part of the bridge. No village had to finish the whole job, just one small part. Some leaders agreed, others hesitated. Finally, the children spoke. They wanted to play together again. They wanted the bridge back. The parents looked at their hopeful faces. One by one, they agreed to try. The first morning felt uncomfortable. The fruit growers arrived carrying baskets of fresh apples. The builders brought stones. The tool makers carried hammers and ropes. The wheat farmers prepared warm bread. The boat builders ferried heavy supplies across the lake. Everyone worked quietly. No one knew what to say. Then one builder accidentally dropped a heavy stone. Before anyone asked, 2 people from another village rushed forward to help lift it. A little later, one child tripped while carrying bread. Another child caught the basket before it hit the ground. Small acts of kindness began to appear. Elsa watched happily. Raya smiled. The bridge was becoming stronger. So were the people. Every day they worked together a little longer. Sometimes they shared stories while eating lunch. Sometimes they laughed about funny mistakes. Old memories slowly returned. One afternoon, dark clouds gathered across the sky. A strong storm swept over the lake. Powerful winds shook the unfinished bridge. Everyone hurried to protect the supplies. Without thinking about which village they belonged to, people helped whoever needed help. They tied ropes together. They covered wood with large cloths. They rescued baskets rolling toward the water. The storm finally passed. Everyone looked around. No one had worked alone. Everyone had worked together. For the first time in many months, the leaders smiled at one another. The next morning, one leader quietly stepped forward. He admitted that during the first argument he had spoken with anger. He wished he had listened more carefully. Another leader apologized for refusing to help. Soon another admitted making unfair assumptions. Then another. One by one, honest words replaced old pride. Elsa felt tears of joy fill her eyes. Raya placed a hand over her heart. This was the moment they had hoped for. Not because everyone was perfect, because everyone was willing to begin again. The bridge repairs continued with new energy. Children painted colorful signs welcoming visitors. Artists carved beautiful birds into the stone walls. Gardeners planted bright flowers along every path. When the final stone was carefully placed, cheers echoed across the lake. The bridge of friendship stood stronger than ever before. To celebrate, every village prepared its favorite food. Long tables stretched across the bridge itself. Fresh fruit, warm bread, sweet cakes, roasted vegetables, tasty soup, and sparkling juice filled every corner. Musicians played joyful songs. Children danced together. Grandparents shared stories from long ago. The lake reflected hundreds of glowing lanterns floating peacefully across the water. As night arrived, Elsa created tiny snowflakes that shimmered like stars without making anyone cold. The magical flakes floated gently through the air. Raya smiled as children chased them across the bridge. One little girl asked Elsa if trust was like magic. Elsa smiled kindly. She explained that magic could create beautiful snow, but only people could choose kindness. Another little boy asked Raya if trust ever broke again. Raya nodded honestly. Sometimes it does. But every kind word, every helpful hand, and every honest promise gives people another chance to rebuild it. The children remembered those words. Years passed. The 5 villages continued working together. Sometimes they disagreed. Sometimes they made mistakes. But they no longer allowed one disagreement to erase years of friendship. Whenever problems appeared, they met on the bridge of friendship before anger could grow too large. They listened before speaking. They searched for answers instead of blaming others. The bridge became famous across many kingdoms. Travelers came from far away to see not only the beautiful stone bridge, but also the peaceful people who crossed it every day. Before Elsa and Raya returned to their own adventures, they stood together in the center of the bridge one last time. They watched children from every village laughing together. They watched families sharing food. They watched neighbors helping one another carry heavy baskets. Elsa knew that no spell could have created such happiness. Raya knew that no sword could have won such peace. The greatest strength had come from patient hearts that chose to trust again. As the sun slowly set beyond the sparkling lake, golden light covered the bridge and every smiling face. The villagers had learned that trust is not built in a single day. It grows through kindness, honesty, patience, and many small acts of caring. And because they never gave up on one another, their friendship became stronger than it had ever been before. From that day forward, every child who crossed the bridge of friendship remembered the lesson passed down through generations. Trust takes time to rebuild, but when people choose kindness, forgiveness, and hope, the strongest bridges are the ones built between hearts, and they all lived happily ever after.